Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect monday.com to Canva for brand task tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your monday.com account. Navigate to the board where you want to track your branding tasks. Locate that add column option on the right side of your board. Select the column center pop-up. In the search bar, type link to find the link column. Click on the link column to add it to your board. Name the new column something like Canva links for clarity. Now, open a new tab and log into your Canva account. Create or open the design that you want to link to your monday.com board. In Canva, click on the Share button at the top right corner. Choose the Copy Link option to get a shareable link for your design. Return to your monday.com board. Navigate to the row where you want to add your Canva link. Paste the copied link into the Canva links column. Repeat this process for any additional designs you would like to link. To ensure your team can access the designs, check the sharing settings in Canva. Confirm that the settings allow anyone with the link to view the design. Now your design is linked to your task on monday.com. You can easily click on the link to open the Canva design directly. This integration will enhance your workflow and keep all branding tasks organized in one place. Consider using additional columns to track the status or due dates of your tasks. By following these steps, you'll streamline your brand task tracking effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.